Welcome to GrantsNow, a one-stop pre-awards cloud platform for research proposal creation and management. The typical pre-awards process is a complex one. Researchers and administrators face challenges from creating and costing a proposal through to submission, award and maintenance. Other challenges include double keying of information, lengthy and complex integrations, proposal costing, complicated approval process, flexible and user-friendly system configuration. This is where GrantsNow can help you. Features of application: full integration with your HR, finance and post-award systems. TRAC guided full economic costing engine with provision for multiple costing versions. Fully configurable approval routing and workflow management. Fully configurable ethics module to meet any institution's needs. Arrange a demo of GrantsNow Cloud application today. For more information, contact us.